Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, I will discuss all of the options, I'll show you them, and after that I'll show you the whole operation of applying the wallpaper. So let's go to the settings first of all, and here let's scroll down and go to Personalization. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so we have to scroll down, and as you can see here we've got different sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So at the top we've got AI dynamic wallpapers, which means that we can actually turn a static photo into the live one, which is a great option. I will show you it later on. Here we've got online wallpapers, so we can download a specific static wallpaper and apply it. You do not need to have the account, but be aware you need the internet connection to be able to actually find them. And at the very bottom we've got the system wallpapers. We can tap on more, and here we've got simply those which are pre-installed. You do not need the internet connection. So first of all, let me show you how to apply the static wallpaper. I'll pick something from the online wallpapers, so let me just tap on this option, and here we've got different sections. This is what you will see after entering the themes. So you will immediately see not that page, but this page. So you will immediately see different wallpapers that you can download, and all of them are free of charge, which is great. Of course, you've got a lot of different categories, so you can tap on the categories here, and as you can see, we've got animals, galaxy, nature, patterns, a lot of things to check to download. So let me find something here, and if you can find the wallpaper that you'd like to apply, simply tap on it. Now your device will ask you where you want to apply the wallpaper, so lock screen, home screen, or both. I'll pick both options. And now you can see that we've got the preview, and by default your device will apply the wallpaper sharp wallpaper on the lock screen, and it will blur it on the home screen. If you don't like this effect, simply tap on this dot icon, drop icon to turn off the blur effect, and now we've got the wallpaper sharp. So all you have to do, if you're happy with the results, of course, just tap on apply in the right upper corner and wait until your device will finish this process. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied. Now let me show you how to apply AI wallpaper. So let's scroll down again and go to Personalization. Scroll and go to AI dynamic wallpapers. So right here we've got 4 pre-installed options from which we can choose, and of course you can tap on the specific wallpaper to check how it looks like. Now you have to decide where you want to apply it, so let me choose both, and as you can see the photo is static, but your device will simply turn it into the live wallpaper, and this effect will apply on the home screen and the lock screen too. So all you have to do here is to simply tap on apply, so the same operation. Moreover, here in this section you can simply tap on this plus icon, and your device will open your own gallery, which means that you can use your own photo. It doesn't matter whether it is downloaded or it is a photo of you or your animal or your child or whatever, any kind of object actually. You can simply tap on this plus icon, choose it from your gallery, and your device will simply turn the static photo into the dynamic wallpaper, which is great. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.